Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using Bode-Marsh rule. Bode-Marsh rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this Bode-Marsh sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step we solve, calculate root 196 and cube root of 216. So now first root 196 is equals to 14 and cube root of 216 equals to 6. And according to this step, the Bode-Marsh says after the brackets, which the expression doesn't have, we must always solve the orders, roots and exponents before any basic arithmetic operations. And now the current expression becomes 14 divided by 7 plus 6 multiplied by 1.5. Move to next step. Now perform division. Now divide the values. 14 divided by 7 will get 2. According to this step, looking at the remaining operations, which is addition, division and multiplication. Now division holds the highest priority in Bode-Marsh order. So now the replacing division part with its result and the expression becomes 2 plus 6 multiply 1.5. Now move to the next step, perform multiplication. Now multiply the digit 6 multiplied by 1.5 and after we'll get 9. According to this step, between the remaining addition and multiplication operator, multiplication has the highest priority than addition. So now replacing the multiplication part with its result, so expression becomes 2 plus 9. Move to the next and last step, perform addition. So now add the final remaining operator left in the expression, which is 2 plus 9 and we'll get 11. So all operations are completed and given the final evaluation result of is 11. So now according to this expression, by using the Bode-Marsh sequence, the final simplified value of this expression is 11, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.